So this is my last Sephora box for now. I canceled it. And let's see what's in it. So these are my things. The first thing is this. It's a BB thickening spray. So I think I'll like that from Bumble and Bumble. So that's a good sample. Then we have this. This is a Rouge Gel Liner. Mine's not in a bad color, so that's kind of nice. It's like a nude. It's called Nothing But Nude. Then a Sephora lipstick, which is one of the reasons I'm canceling. I feel like these have just gotten so much of the same thing. What color is this? Probably red. It's like a reddish color, yes. So not my fave. Then what do we have here? A Fresh Sugar Hydrating Caramel Balm. So that's actually really nice. I've never had anything like this before. A Peach Primed and Peachy Mattifying Cooling Primer. I don't really like to be matte. I'll try it. And then this mascara that I've had tons of times. So I feel like I canceled Sephora because I just feel like a lot of the times I get samples and I get them a lot. Like I get the same things several times, like that lipstick and that mascara, and I just kind of have less stuff in general and less stuff I don't want. So today my Ipsy came and I thought I would just show you on my vlog what I got. This is actually my last Ipsy because I canceled it for now. I actually like the bag this month. It's kind of festive. So the first thing I got is Nomad Around the World's Moonlight Light Infusion Powder. Is a highlighter of some sort. It's cute. It's in a little compact. After I destroyed its packaging, and it's purple. So I'm thinking it's like an eyeshadow. It's pretty purple to me. It's kind of the light color it made on me. I don't know what it is. I'll have to figure that out. I think it's an eyeshadow. Then we got a brush, which is always my fave. A gold brush. A Balm Nude Beach eyeshadow. That's always nice because I love those. Oh, it's a nice color. It's like a bronzy, shimmery color. Bootylicious. I love it. It's from this collection, I guess. Nude People. It's a good color. I'm happy about it. I almost lost my lip color from Ciate Glitter Flip. Looks like this. So it's kind of pretty. And then I got a Way Scalp and Body Scrub. That actually sounds nice. I had a scalp scrub once and I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to try this one and see if it reminds me of the Christoph Robin one. And then I got one more thing. And it's a Glam, or no, it's not a Glam Glow. It's a Generation Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So we'll see. This is the thing I'm least excited about. I like the brush and the eyeshadow and the hair mask.